So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Monday the 30th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come down towards this 1220. We have seen a bullish bounce towards that 1228. Brief pullback. Did break above the 1228, head towards that 1235. Didn't quite test the 1236. Broke back down, found support again in around that 1220. Found resistance at 200 period average, tested the 1220, and again we found support at this 1220. So if we can see this move here to the upside, but of concern is the series of lower highs do appear poised for further downside momentum. But if we do continue to hold the support of the 1220 and we do successfully navigate the 200 period moving average, which has acted as resistance, we are looking for a move up towards that 1228.20. Successful break and hold, from which we'll be then looking for prices to head up towards this 1236.47 here on the XAUUSD. And I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 1236.47, but if we did, we do have to be aware of the added confluence of 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to market from that level. But if we did see the momentum bring us through 1236.47, we're looking for a move towards that 1243.13 here on the XAUUSD. Failure to hold support at the 1220, we'll be looking for a price to move down towards that 1214.26. And if we're not able to find support there also, the very next levels that we are looking at are the 1204.69. Successful break from which we'd expect the far end of the range to be in around that 1200 level here on the XAUUSD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So on this monthly time frame, we can see here we've had an acceleration momentum so far. This month we do seem poised to have a strong bearish close. Here on the XAUUSD, there aren't any indications at present that we are we found any meaningful support. So if we do see this fall through to the downside again, we'll be looking to see our price track around 1200, after which we'll be then looking for prices to see how prices if we do find support in around that 1180 here on the XAUUSD. But as we can see, we did see the upside momentum fail, encountered some resistance, saw the deceleration in upside momentum, and we've seen acceleration to the downside here on the XAUUSD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly time frame. And on this weekly time frame, we encountered quite a bit of resistance around that 400 period moving average. More recently, we can see that we've broken out of this trend here to the upside, and we've seen that acceleration momentum in sell side, accelerated momentum to the sell side of the market. We've broke beneath this 200 period moving average from this weekly time frame, and we do seem poised for possibly a move down towards this 1204, is it? Yes. Possibly seem poised for a test of this 1204 low here, from which we found support. So if we can navigate 1214, possibly move down to 1204 to see if we do find support there also, beyond which we've got the 1200 and that 1180, which previously acted as support and also resistance here on the XAUUSD. Now let's just have a look here at the daily chart before wrapping it all up. And as we can see here on this daily chart, it's pretty clear. We are in a downtrend. We've had a series of lower highs. We've had this consolidation through here. We weren't able to test the 1236. We do appear poised to break this consolidation to the downside. So if we do see this break to the downside, this consolidation, we're looking for a retest of 1214, beyond which we're looking to make new lows for this most recent trend here on the XAUUSD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.